Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza yeeps. First, gather your ingredients like 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and 1/2 cup of warm water. Activate the yeast in the warm water with a pinch of sugar for 5 minutes until it's nice and foamy. Then, combine your dry ingredients and slowly add the yeast mixture, mixing until a soft dough forms. Knead this dough for about 10 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic, ready for the next step. Now let's get to the fun part, shaping and filling. Divide your prepared dough into 12 equal portions, each weighing approximately 2 ounces. Roll each portion into a thin, round disc, about 4 inches across. Next, spoon 1 tablespoon of your favorite pizza sauce right into the center of each disc. Don't forget to add a generous pinch of delicious shredded mozzarella cheese and any other toppings you love, like pepperoni or vegetables. With your yeeps filled, it's time to seal them up for baking. Carefully fold the dough over the filling to create a neat half-moon shape. Use a fork to firmly crimp the edges all around, ensuring all those delicious ingredients stay securely inside. For a beautiful golden brown crust, brush the tops of your yeeps with a simple egg wash. Then, bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Congratulations, your homemade pizza yeeps are ready. Let them cool for just a few minutes after baking to avoid burning your tongue. These delightful, bite-sized treats are perfect served warm as a quick snack or a fun, easy meal for any occasion. You can even offer a side of marinara sauce for dipping to add an extra burst of flavor. Gather your friends and family and enjoy your delicious, freshly baked pizza yeeps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.